how to charge your AirTag. Now, if your AirTag's battery has finished and the capacity has expired, you might be thinking about charging it, but unfortunately, your AirTag isn't chargeable. So what it has is it has a replaceable, detachable and attachable batteries, which is very easily removable and replaceable by the way, but it cannot be charged. So to remove the batteries, turn your AirTag towards the back side and you'll see the silver thing, which is this back cover right here. All you have to do is press and hold this firmly and just tilt towards the left hand side. So you can use 2 fingers as well and just tilt towards the left hand side like this, and it will pop right off like this. Once it has been popped off, you can see the batteries will be removed just like that by the way. And this is the type of battery. You can take this battery to your nearby center and just request a newer battery or order them from online. By the way, once you've ordered, just make sure to place them properly just like this, the positive and the negative sides, and then just focus on these 3 little pockets that you can see here. Same goes for the back cover, which is 3 little, you can see these 3 little legs as well. Now just focus and put them and attach them to the pockets. Previously we pressed and tilted towards the left. Now we press and tilt towards the right to lock it together. And now you can see our AirTag has been successfully changed the batteries for. So it isn't rechargeable, but of course it is detachable and replaceable. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.